Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Margarita from my lifestyle journals, and in today's video I'm going to share with you one of my favorite low carb noodles recipe. Many of you know that I am following low carb ketogenic lifestyle for over 7 years now. So when I first started, I was able to lose over 20 pounds in just 4 months after having my baby. After that, I am just following low carb, not strict keto, but low carb, and incorporate with whole food and also incorporate with intermittent fasting, so to maintain my healthy lifestyle. And I am getting so many health benefits, so I'm going to share one of my favorite recipe today. This low carb noodles is shirataki noodles. You also can call konjac noodles, and also it's a low carb, zero carb noodles. It is actually a root vegetable. So only 100 grams of serving of shirataki noodles has only 3 gram of carb, which is from the carb you subtract the fiber, it is zero carb. It is actually zero carb because this 3 gram of carb is actually fiber. So when you subtract from carb the fiber, and then you get zero carb, so which is very good for low carb recipes. And I am making this on repeat, and me and my family is loving it. So konjac noodles is it's a root vegetable, so it is found in Asia, and it is very good for low carb lifestyle. So all you need to do before cooking, when you take out shirataki noodles from the bag of noodles, you just need to rinse with the running water, and then it is ready to cook. So let's get cooking. For this low carb noodles recipe, I'm going to use mushroom, and mushroom I cook in butter. I'm using grass-fed butter. This is how I cook my mushroom, and this is how all the water mushroom gets away and it gets dry on the pan. This is how I cook, and it gets cooked very well with butter and just little bit fry. When it's cooked, it looks like this, and then I am cooking egg here, and then I am also frying my onion with some garlic, minced garlic, and a little bit of salt. Then when my onion is cooked, fried, looks red, then I am pouring my washed shirataki noodles that I cleaned with the running water. So it is ready to cook. Sometimes you can chop little bit so to make it a little bit short, but that's okay. If you don't want, you don't have to. Then I am using ketchup, which is low sugar, actually no sugar ketchup. This is it's keto friendly, and it's healthy ketchup that you can buy from store in the natural market. Then when your noodles is combined with the ketchup, then add 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, and then little bit of heavy cream, a splash of heavy cream. Then mix it very well. Then add all your ingredients that you just fried, the mushroom and eggs, and then mix it very well. I'm sure you will love this recipe. If you give this a try, let me know in the comment how you like it, how you feel the taste. I felt so happy. My husband also liked this recipe. My family always eating in a repeat, so it's yummy and it's easy to make. So now it is almost finished cooking, and now I just turn off my stove and decorating with red onion, chopped red onion, and green onion as well. And then if you want, you can add chopped chicken, cooked chicken, or rotisserie chicken. But I forgot to take picture here about the chicken, but when I was serving, I added my chicken here that I cooked last night, and I added this chicken breast chopped, or you can take rotisserie chicken and top with this shiitake noodles, and it's ready to eat. It's so yummy and it's so easy to make. You don't need to wait for your noodles to boil. It's your shiitake noodles, that konjac noodles, is ready to eat, and I am going to enjoy my meal, this low carb meal. If you are in your low carb journey or weight loss journey, or you just want to eat healthy, I have free meal plan in the description box that you will see, my free meal plan for low carb, and it's for 7 days, so you can take it for free. Looking for low carb recipes, or you just want to maintain your weight loss and looking for recipes, guides, so please subscribe to my channel and share this video to with your friend or family, anybody who is looking for fat loss or want to maintain their weight loss, looking for healthy recipes or also diabetic friendly recipes. So stay tuned to my channel and share my video and comment whatever struggle you are facing in your weight loss journey or maintaining your weight. I will love to connect with you. I will love to answer my experience, what I have faced throughout my weight loss journey over 7 years. So I will be happy to connect with you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.